How to download Football Manager on your PC. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily download the game Football Manager on your laptop. So for that, you need a Steam account. So first of all, you need to have Steam application. Open your browser and search for Steam download. And once you search for it, you will get this link right here. And from here, you can install Steam. It will download an exe file on your PC, and you can download this application from there. Once you have installed the application, just open it up and make sure to log into your account. Once you log in, this will be your homepage or your store homepage. And here you want to search for Football Manager. And once you search for it, it will show up right here. Just open the game and it will directly take you to the home page of the game. Now here you have different options available. So you can buy Football Manager, that is $40 right here, or you can buy the content for this game, that's $6, and other updates as well. So to buy the main game, you just click on this add to cart, but before you do that, make sure you have this amount prepared. And now just click on add to cart, and you can just view your cart from here. It will take you to your shopping cart and all of the items in your cart will be shown right here. Make sure it's for your account and not as a gift. So once you do that, just click on continue through payment. And here Steam has provided us with different payment methods. So if you just want to use PayPal, you can just choose PayPal and continue. Just enter your PayPal details and it will your purchase will be successful. But if you want to use any other card like MasterCard or Visa card, enter your card details, your billing information and continue. Then you will be taken to the checkout page where you have to enter your security pin, and then your purchase should be successful. Then your game will be shown here on library on the left side of your screen. Just tap on the game and click on this download option right here, and you should be able to download Football Manager easily on your PC. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Also turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on anything. I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.